Hi everyone and welcome to this week's video. So when you see the dates in this video, you might realize that there's been a little bit of a skip of a week. The second week I had Maren was a nightmare. She was hounded by the other horses and she developed some separation anxiety on top of that for some reason. So I couldn't really take her away from the other horses or out of the herd. At the same time, I couldn't really do anything with her in the herd because if they decided that they wanted to chase her, I would be squished. So yeah, and it was raining basically the whole week. So it's really hard to put up like a phone camera when it's raining. I don't want my phone to get ruined. I'm not made of money. These are like the reasons why I didn't film for a week. Yeah, so this are 17th, 19th and 20th, I think, of July. Like I said, we are in the middle of getting to know each other and she has a little bit of separation anxiety still. So I'm slowly working on getting her out of the herd and moving her slightly longer away from the herd, and also trying to have some interesting activities for her because she is very inquisitive. You can tell she gets bored if it's just the same thing. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Hi everyone, today is Monday the 17th of July and it's about 2 I think o'clock, and I am going to try and get Maren in the arena without getting killed. And then I'm gonna just take care of her, some of her wounds and some stuff, and then I'm gonna see if we can do some like groundwork training or like just lead training. I'm not really sure. We'll see what kind of mood she's in. So I tried to film. Every time I put the camera on and start filming, the heavens open up. So it's not easy filming in the Norwegian summer. And she has so many rubs from the fly mask, but then also so many insects. I don't know what to do. So I groomed and everything. I got some help. Put on a lot of fly spray, put on a lot of wound cream, and she's having a nice time here, and I'm going to work here to get the weeds out. So we finally had a day of nice weather and I managed to set up my camera so that you can see some of the things I do with Maren. It's not a lot yet, but she's at least learned not to pull her head down and try to eat grass while I'm handling her and closing the gate and everything. She has gotten much better at getting tied up and go away from her friends, much calmer now. I always start giving her a little curry, and she loves it with the fly bites and insect bites. It's the best thing, I think, for her right now. Having your teats carried is the best thing right now, Maren thinks. As you can see, she really enjoys it. After that, I groom her with a stiff brush just to get the dirt off. Then there's the long process of putting some fly spray on, because she's so scared of the spray and the feeling of getting the spray on her. So I have to spray it on my hand, and I sped this up a lot, as you can see. But it takes a long time, and I wish I could get her to take the spray bottle and I could just spray her, but and then on the head as well. Then we have to pick out her feet. And she's gotten so patient. Then there's time for some wound and skin cream. So there's much more bite marks and stuff on the other side. So this is just around her teats and on the inside of her thighs. And some on her legs. Then it was time to try on her bridle. This is the first time I'm putting a bridle on her since I got her. Just haven't been a priority. Sometimes I think she's really small and sometimes I think she's really big. So Maren has not been used to this kind of bit before, and I have some bit rings on it, and when I got it on her, I was so focused on the fact that it was a little too short, so I had to fix it on one side, take the stud pieces down. I didn't actually see one of the main problems until I came around on the other side and realized she had the bit guard or whatever it's called inside her mouth. So I had to clean my hands and the bit guard after removing it. And here I'm just fiddling with the bridle, trying to get to see if it fits, and if it's too tight in side pieces. Note to self, do not put on bit rings the first time I'm gonna try on a bridle, because it's impossible to see how the bit is lying in the mouth and whether or not there are any wrinkles or not. And then took the bit bridle off again. And then her head needed some wound and skin cream. She has so many sores on her head from the fly mask and from her being talented at getting sores. Then it was time for Maren's second most favorite thing right now, which is some grub. Her most favorite thing right now is definitely scratches. And I've sped this up a lot because it's not that interesting. And then I realized I have forgotten to put skin cream on at some point. And then I also remembered that I'd seen she'd scratched her tail a little bit. So she got tied up again, and I put some aloe gel on the top of her tail to help her not be scratchy or itchy. Such a patient girl. And then it was time for Maren to go back out to her friends again. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I know it's not super interesting, but with a new horse, it takes a lot of time for it to feel comfortable in a new herd and everything. It's me again. Please leave a comment. I love comments. Please leave a like to help support my channel. Subscribe is even better. And if you subscribe, ring the notification bell, okay? Bye!